So what happened when my business actually started to get traction and I started to get visibility? I started getting more criticism. And it wasn't a lot of people. It was just a few people. But I mean, when you have thousands of people, right now we have like 22,000 people on our email list, more than that, which is crazy. Even if it's just a few people that are giving you that criticism, I wasn't 100% mentally prepared for it. As an entrepreneur, you need to have a mindset of steel to be successful in business, especially when you're putting yourself out there online. People would never say things to your face that they're saying online. They might comment on your post, or it's just the things that people think they have a right to say. It like blows my mind, but they say it anyways, right? People are like a-holes. They all have opinions, and they're going to put it out there for you. And if you don't have that super strong mindset, you are going to let the opinion of just a few people really get in your head and tear you down. So a huge tip for you is to create a love letter folder on your computer. So every time someone tells you how much you've helped them, or they say something nice to you, what I want you to do is actually copy and paste it and put it in that love letter folder. I just want you to be mentally prepared that you will get criticism the bigger your business gets, and you have to be prepared for it and just know that it's a part of the territory. If you're not getting criticism, you're probably not saying anything worthwhile.